everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to cast off your knitting project with a crochet hook instead of the knitting needles. So if you find that it is difficult to cast off as normal with the knitting needle, then this is the perfect hack for you. Sometimes, even though I've been knitting for quite some time, sometimes it can prove to be a little tricky to cast off with the straight end, and so yeah, I need a little help. So today I'm just going to get into that. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right into this tutorial. So what I'm actually going to do is go ahead and cast this off, since I started casting it off with the knitting needle. Alright, so let's say you want to use your handy dandy crochet hook to finish casting off however many stitches you have. I have a 5mm crochet hook right now, and I've been knitting with like a 6mm pair of knitting needles. So depending on your project and the finishing you're going for, you're going to want to either go down a size or half a size, or go up half a size. But for this project I did go down a size. So anyway, I'm going to insert my hook into this loop that I have pulled up, and I'm going to pull it down, not too tight but not too stretchy. And all you're going to do is insert your hook into that next stitch that is on your needle right here. You're just going to slip him off. You're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, and then slip it. So basically you're slip stitching. Alright, so we're going to do that again. Alright, so I'm going to go under this next stitch on my inactive needle right here. I'm going to insert my hook into that stitch. I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through that loop that was already on my hook. It's just that easy. So like I said, if you're a beginner knitter and you're having struggles, or maybe you've been knitting for a while but you're still having struggles, this is a good way to go ahead and cast off. And I find that this is a quicker method in casting off. I don't always use this method. Usually I take my time with knitting, but if you're in a rush, or if you're designing a pattern or you're pattern testing and you need to cast off real quick, you can do it like this, and nobody will ever know the difference unless you tell them. So now you can see that you have this nice even straight edge, and it doesn't look any different from casting off with both the needles. As a matter of fact, way back here, further back on the project, this is what it looked like with me casting off with the knitting needles. And then way over here, this is what it looks like with me casting off with the crochet hook. So really no difference at all. This is a project I am working on. It's a pattern that I'm writing. I've been working on it since like April, and I'm finally getting around to finishing it off. So I'm looking forward to stitching this up, and I'll probably have the pattern up sometime in September. I can't wait to share it with you guys. So if you want updates on this pattern slash project, you can go over to my website. And also, if you just want more fun knitting tips and tricks, as well as crochet tips and tricks, you can head on over to my website, InfinitiCraftingCompany.com. I'll leave it linked in the description below. And until next time, guys, happy making.